Hey everybody, welcome back to Maintenance Made on a Budget. Today we're going to be showing you how to change out a window switch on a 2002 Dodge 2500 Ram. The problem with this vehicle is that the switch does not go up, but we still have door locks already. So what I'm going to do is show you how to pop these out, and you can change the switches individually or you can change the whole piece as one unit. I'll show you both. But before I do that, if you like do-it-yourself videos and maintenance projects that are made on a budget, please like and subscribe to my video as I continue to do self projects. I also do home video repairs as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I picked up, when I ordered the switch, it only came with the cover. So when you go to Amazon, make sure you put the switch by itself. So I had to end up getting the switch here. This is the new switch for the window. I'm going to go ahead and replace both since I got them both. But both parts came on Amazon. I'll have it in the link below. Very cheap parts. I probably didn't pay anything more than 20 or 30 bucks for both of these. Actually, less than that. So I'll have it in the link below. Alright, so for this job, you can use a small flat tip screwdriver, or if you have a prying tool for door panels, that would obviously work the best. But any small screwdriver will work. And you just kind of go on the bottom and just slowly work it around.
Pry it.
Pop it out. Okay, now this is our door lock. That one works fine. But I'm going to go ahead and, as you can see here, you have your door lock. You just squeeze and that'll come out. And then you squeeze here and pop it off. Now, what I'm going to want to do here is I want to go ahead and use that new piece that I showed you. So each switch is individually in its slot here. So you have a little tab here and here, here and here, and that also can come down like that and pops out. All right, so we'll put that there, and then we'll do this one. This is the window switch, so I'll just leave that in there because. Okay. All right, so I have my new cover for the passenger side door. This is my new window switch. All right, so we'll go ahead and insert that. And these just snap in place like that. Has a little tongue and groove section here, so you can't really mess it up. And then I'll put the old door lock back in because that worked fine. And as you can see here, it's got, set that down. You have a groove right here, which will line up with the slot. So just slide that back in. Let's see, how did I have it? Like that. And snapped in like that. Then you just simply reconnect your wires. Reconnect this one. Connect. And place it back in place, which just snaps in like that. Nice and
cool.
Neat. Okay. Now that we have everything connected, let's back in action. Window works, locks.
Yeah.
Locks down, locks up.
Down,
up, up. Down. All right, that's it. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to do. Main thing is just be careful when you're popping your plastics, but they're really not that hard to do. So hopefully this video helped. If you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I will continue to do these videos. See you guys next time.